Very good evening to one and all. So students, today I am going to post this video so that you people get very familiar with my timetable. I would be taking care of English literature, English language and English grammar classes. So please don't get confused because many of these students are very confused. They do not log in neither on Zoom, they nor log in on YouTube. So where is the confusion all about when I have already made so many groups? I keep on posting the link, not a problem. Now your confusion is going to disappear from today. See students, I take care of the subject English. 10th ICSE online batch. I conduct this batch on MWF and the platform is Zoom. 10th ICSE, both English literature and language I cover during these days. Okay. Now coming up to 11 ISC board. MWF 8:30 PM on Zoom. 10th ISC online MWF 6 PM. 11th ISC MWF 8:30 PM on Zoom. 12 ISC. See, this is the timetable of online classes. Okay. Online classes grade 10, grade 11 and grade 12. So 12 ISC TTS 1 PM on Zoom. You can even note down my ID 787-182-4926 and the password in small letters is desire. So बच्चों ये क्लियर हो गया. ये देखिए, ये इंग्लिश का मैं टाइम टेबल बना रहा हूं in front of you all. 10th ICSE. Anyone who wants to even see my demo, you can book a demo class. My mobile number is 9839305466, or you people are free to log in via this ID and password. So 10th ICSE online MWF 6 PM, 11 ISC MWF 8:30 PM on Zoom, 12 ISC, mind it, the timing is 1 PM till the schools are actually not reopening, because it was recently in the news that schools would be reopening from 16th of August. So after that, in case if the students are facing any difficulty, specifically grade 12 ISC students, so I also provide weekend classes. It won't be a problem. Now I hope you people have noted it down. Now coming up to 12 CBSE. TTS 8:30 PM on Zoom. Don't get confused. This is TTS 12 CBSE. Okay. Now, if you want to join my offline batches, my dear students, offline batches, I take care of the timetable of other students who are into the preparation of engineering, management, medical studies. I take care of it. So you people can call me. I'll again mention my number 9839305466 and I will start taking your classes 3 days in a week offline. 3 days in a week. Okay. So in the meanwhile, I'm not disclosing the timetable for offline. Reason why? Because there are only 2 batches that are running offline for now. That is 12 ISC Monday, Friday and Saturday 1 PM, and rest of the students of any grade or any board, they can come at any point of time for a demo class at 5 PM. This is only for offline students. My branch is at Chandar Nagar, Alambagh, Lucknow. Chandar Nagar, Alambagh, Lucknow. Even we have a branch at LDA and Para. So this branch is actually functional. You can straight away walk in. You would be getting a demo. Okay, students, so this was the timetable. I hope you people have no confusions now. Specifically when it comes to grade 10 and 12 students, less time is less, so don't just keep your fingers crossed for anything. अभी अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि अगले साल भी ऐसे ही डिले हो जाएगा, ये तो भाई समय आने पे पता चलेगा, लेकिन आपको तो पढ़ाई करनी है. आप लोग ये समझ के चलिए that in the month of February your exams, your board exams would be conducted. So if you count the number of months, I hope it's less than 6 months. You can join my batches. I conduct batches online on Zoom. My free classes are conducted on YouTube. Only on YouTube you can avail these free classes, and rest you can come for my offline classes. Okay, student. So it was very good to talk to you people. Any queries, believe me, I'm there. See you soon. Thank you so much. May God bless you all. Bye bye.